Welcome back to Fix Painting and Repairs Garage. Today's project, we're going to continue on this 125 ATV. It was a no start electrical issue. We got it all sorted out. We replaced the relay, ignition switch, spark plug, carburetor manifold, battery, rectifier. Alright, let's see about starting it. Yeah, pull in a brake. Let's see here. I can actually do it by pressing on the rear brake. It's got a safety switch. Set the choke. Runs pretty good. Had to flush out the gas tank, it was full of rust. New fuel lines, fuel filter, carburetor, intake manifold, gaskets, cone breather, rectifier, ignition switch. Yeah, so we did all that to it, and new battery, and she's running pretty good. Got no lights though, no headlights. Oh, wait a minute, we got one working. Yeah, we got one headlight. Nice, we got one headlight. And we got the tail light. And brake light. All right. Yes, we got a headlight working. All right. And we got a tail light working. Nice. Uh-oh. Make sure the choke is all the